magical water fairy appears inside the net. Long black hair, green tail glowing. Please let me go. I just want to be free. Please, Banana Boy, let her go. She means everything to me.
How could you say that to me? Ah! 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 You never listen to what I have to say. Look, this blue water fairy is a one-of-a-kind exhibit.
Indeed. The patrons will be enchanted. Our museum will make millions.
Today feels special.
Let's thank Allah for this beautiful morning.
I dream visiting Mecca.
Insha'Allah, we will go together.
Let's start preparing. Hey! Our Hajj journey begins today.
Alhamdulillah. Now we can continue.
I hope everything goes well.
Trust Allah.
Please accept our documents. We hope everything goes well.
I feel nervous.
Be patient. Good news is coming.
Alhamdulillah. Now we can continue.
It's approved.
Alhamdulillah, we did it.
Everything is ready now.
Our dream is becoming real.
Wow, it's so big. Our journey starts here.
I'm so excited!
Next up, Mecca.
Look at the clouds.
Allah's creation is beautiful.
Tomorrow, our new life begins.
This marriage will unite our families.
Nice to meet you, Tomato. Better.
I object! This wedding cannot happen.
Yep.
I am not afraid of you. Then prepare for battle. Nobody can stop me! We'll see about that. Too slow! Stand still! Wait, oh! right here.
Strength is not everything.
Take this. Not today.
Catch me if you can! Ouch!
You missed again! Not again!
Can Carrot win?
I have a plan.
Stop running! What is this?
Use your brain!
I'm not finished. The weather changed. Whoa! This is my chance.